Kartel started out just as any other dancehall DJ, you know. Started out as an avid fan, loving the music. You know what I mean? I can remember when I asked my father at one time when I was a small child if I the radio the people them the way I sing, you know. Yeah, so we born in music, right? Some uncles used to DJ, you know what I mean? They never really made it, you know what I mean? But I used to emulate them and wanted to be like them so much. You know what I mean? So we started growing up, you know, started going out now to like talent shows in the area, you know what I mean? Gang show and get couple boo, you know what I mean? Learn the art, go back to the drawing board and just gradually build until we became like semi-professional, you know, lacking Portmore, till we was introduced to Bounty Killer, and you know, the rest is just history.